So, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another note making video. Today we'll be seeing how to make detailed CSC syllabus related notes on the OneNote software. So let's start with this video. You can download the OneNote from the link I have given in the description box. So first we will fire up the OneNote. This is a very clean slate approach. There are not any sections here. So I'll be creating everything from the scratch. So first we will open our CSC syllabus. So we'll first create for the prelims part. So paper 1, it consists of various subjects. So for each subject we'll be creating the notebooks, and within those notebooks you can add whatever content you want from anywhere. So we will go to this panel and right click and select this new section group option. The new section group is been created. So now let's label it as prelims. So you can see that there are various options when you right click on it, and then you should select this new section. Then it creates a new section in which we will be adding our syllabus topics. Like the first is current events of national and international importance. We will copy that, right click, rename, and then paste it. So we have created our first notebook of current events of national and international importance. You can also adjust these panels by sliding these using your mouse. So you can see we have created a notebook within a stack. Again, right click, new section. Next topic is history of India and Indian national movement. Copy that. Then again right click, rename, paste it. Boom, finish. Then again new section, select another topic, India and world geography. Copy it. Then again right click, rename, paste it. This is similar to the Evernote. Like in Evernote you have to create various stacks, and within those stacks you have to create notebooks. So in this OneNote you can directly create the notebook, and within those notebooks you can create various notes, and you can see that it is giving you pre-built option of color coding. Like the various notes have been color coded as green, blue, red, gray, again dark blue. So this is very nice feature as compared to Evernote. Similarly I will be adding the other topics also, and we have finished the prelims syllabus. So now in this right side panel you can see this is the actual notebook, and when you click on that untitled page you can see various options here. You can add new page, you can move, copy, cut, copy. So we can do anything we want in this OneNote software. And then right click on that untitled page and you can go to this area. This is the title. So we will be creating our first title of international organizations, and in that notebook we will be writing all those international organizations who publish various reports which we have to cram like anything, which I absolutely hate. So anyway, next we will be creating this government schemes, and we can write the various ministries, and correspondingly we can add whichever schemes they are recently launched, which are also quite a task because you have to remember all those schemes and the various intricacies. And then similarly you can just right click on that panel and new page. You can create any number of pages and any number of notebooks. In this history of India we are again creating various notebooks like Gandhian movement, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, Rowlatt Satyagraha, and so on and so forth. And when you have created this notebook, it becomes easy to add whatever content you want on that corresponding note. So you can right click and you can see there are various options on that notebook, and then you can also change the section color. If you are not happy with that pre-built color which OneNote is giving you, you can add the sections. You can add the various colors to the sections. Then we will be moving on to the mains papers. In the mains there will be the general studies 1 paper. So copy that heading, go to this panel, right click, new section group, and a new section group will be created. Write general studies 1 Then again you can see that this has created a stack like option. Then you can go to this bottom left hand side corner and select add section, and this is the same thing again. Copy that Indian culture. This is the syllabus topic. Right click, rename section, paste it. Similarly, that in modern Indian history, again go to the bottom left side panel, add section, and then paste it. Then Indian freedom struggle and the contributions of various leaders. Similarly, all those syllabus topics we are able to create the notebooks in this OneNote. This feature of OneNote I am liking very much because I'm a new user to OneNote. However, it is quite easy to use, as you can see, because I think in Evernote to create those stacks and notebooks, it is quite difficult for a newcomer. But here OneNote, I'm using it for the past 4 days and I'm quite able to do this. In this Evernote they are giving you only one color coding option. However, OneNote they are giving you various color codings. So if you want, you can also add all those colors this same color if you are really willing to do so. And then similarly we will go to this bottom section, right click, new section group. Now we will be starting the GS2 paper. Again, copy the first syllabus, which is Indian Constitution, and then you can select here add section, paste it. Then the next part of the syllabus, functions and responsibilities of union and states, add section, paste it. Separation of powers between various organs. GS2 syllabus we are copying from the notification, and then add section, paste it. Parliament and state legislature, add section, paste it. Then judiciary, representation of people's act, constitutional bodies, and so on and so forth. We are copying from the syllabus, bottom left hand side add section, and then pasting the syllabus content. This is quite easy to do, so I suggest that you should download your OneNote and then move on creating by watching this video. It will be much easier to you, because if you don't use OneNote and just simply you're trying to remember these steps, it will be quite difficult for you. So it is better to download the OneNote first and then watch this video and create your own syllabus related notes. Now we will be moving on to the General Studies 3. The same process we are doing. Right click, add section, paste the syllabus topic. Again, food processing, land reforms, effects of liberalization, infrastructure. We have created a similar video like this in the Evernote, so if you are a fan of Evernote like me, I will keep the link in the I button here in the top. You can check that video out. It will be quite useful for you if you are an Evernote user. So coming back to this OneNote, it takes quite some time to create these custom made notebooks, but I can guarantee you that once we have created these notebooks, the task of note making becomes very easy, because you will be able to organize your notes in a proper manner and you can search it easily using the search function of the OneNote. And we have created and completed this GS3 syllabus. You can see there are various notebooks. First it may seem quite intimidating, however this exam needs some die-hard attitude to clear it. So next, you can also change the color of the main notebook. These are quite customizable features of OneNote. We will be next right click, new section group, rename General Studies 4. Then this is the ethics paper. So first we will select the ethics and human interface, add section, paste it. This is only one part of it, because this will be useful if you're starting your preparation and you're confused about where to start, because when I started my preparation at that time no one was there to tell me these things. So I decided to create this video so that it will be helpful for others who are just starting now. Again, we are pasting all the syllabus content onto the OneNote, and we have almost finished doing these tasks. This is the first part of it, and the next part would be you have to create the content. Like you have to fill the notebooks with corresponding matter, content from whichever institute you're studying or from online, wherever, whatever your sources are, you have to fill those things. That is up to you. And then we'll be now comparing it with the Evernote. So I'll create this split screen option, and you can see that in the Evernote and OneNote they are quite similar. However, Evernote is very like basic thing. Like if you just want to get your task done, Evernote would be the good option. In OneNote it is more colorful. It will be useful for those who want some color in their preparation, pun intended. So there are various colored notebooks, which is a good thing. You can also change all those colors into single colored, like in Evernote. Since I have been using the Evernote for 4 years, I have soft side to it. OneNote also I'm satisfied with it. However, I have to create some notes and then I'll be able to tell you more about that. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.